Hindi nyo kailangan magbayad ng mahal para matutulan ng Real Estate Virtual Assistants. And nope, hindi po recorded to, live training to. And girl, hindi pucho-pucho magtuturo dito ha, because I am a highly trained Real Estate Virtual Assistant. I have been doing this since 2011. I've handled multiple LOBs na pagdating sa real estate. I've worked my way up the ladder from General Virtual Assistant to Transaction Coordination, and I am also a certified Inside Sales Associate for real estate businesses. Alam ko maraming kailangan pag-aralan pagdating sa real estate virtual assistants. Marami kang pwedeng i-offer na service, marami kang pwedeng maging roles. Lahat ng yan pag-aaralan natin this coming weekend because we have a class on September 8 from 1 till 9 p.m. 8 hours yung class, hitik na hitik. Hindi ka mabibitin sis. Just a heads up though, this is the last class na 499 pesos lang because the next class, we're moving that to level 3 which means magkakaroon siya ng internship at magiging 999 pesos na siya. So kung gusto nyo mapasama doon sa Pioneer Batch na magte-testing ng internship ng Real Estate Virtual Assistants, this is your chance. If you guys want to join, just click the link in my bio. Now this will open our Gig Hub. Again, sa Gig Hub, nandito na lahat ng kailangan nyo para matuto kayo mag-freelancing. But to enroll and join the Zero to Reva class this coming weekend, under live mentorship, hahanapin nyo lang sa may bandang baba, 499 Real Estate Virtual Assistant. I-click nyo lang yan, it will open the form. Nasa Instagram kahit yung i-click mo. Kaysa hindi gumagana ang Instagram at TikTok, punta ka na lang sa Facebook page ko, hanapin mo tong video na to, makikita mo sa mismong caption yung link. Hindi na kayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Inuulit ko, this is the last class na 499 pesos lang ang Reva. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis, and I'll see you at the classroom. Bye!